Guys, in this session I am going to explain about one important GCP network security topics like Cloud Armor. Cloud Armor in GCP is like a shield for your online security service. It's Google security service that protects your apps and website from cyber threats. Think of it as a bouncer at a club keeping the bad guys out while letting the good news in, with the features like DDoS protection and like having a personal bodyguard for your digital asset. So if you want to sleep peacefully knowing your online presence is safe and sound, Cloud Armor is your go-to security solution. As you can see here, I have mentioned all the points about Cloud Armor in Google Cloud Platform, some important key features and functionality about the Cloud Armor so that you can easily understand it. What are the important features of Cloud Armor in Google Cloud Platform? Cloud Armor in Google Cloud Platform is a superhero shield your data. It protects your application from cyber threats and ensures smooth operation. With features like DDoS protection, web application firewall, your data stay safe and secure. Don't underestimate the power of Cloud Armor. It's your digital bodyguard in the online world. Stay protected, stay secure with GCP Cloud Armor. This is the important concept about the Cloud Armor. In which scenario cases can you use in Cloud Armor in GCP project? I have mentioned all the points here. You can go through it based on your requirement. You can implement it. Now you think, where can you use the Cloud Armor in your GCP project? Let me explain about that. Cloud Armor in GCP is a game changer for live project. It's like having a shield that protects your app and website from cyber threats. With features like DDoS protections and WAF, it's must have for security. You can use it to be defined your protect against the malicious attack and ensure smooth operation. Trust me, incorporating Cloud Armor in your GCP live project is a smart move that will keep your data safe and your users happy. How to set up your Cloud Armor in your GCP project? Always set up IP allows list to control who can access your resources. Use security policies to block the malicious traffic and protect your application. Leverage a bot detection to filter out the automated threats. Regularly monitor and analyze your traffic patterns for any anomalies, and finally stay updated with the latest security features and best practice. These are the some important tips, guys, you can use to implement in your project. I hope so now you can understand what is Cloud Armor in GCP project. See you in the next session. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.